So I'll now say a few words about the A spot. And it's not about arousal as such, it's more about orgasms. And we'll reveal its powerful secrets in a course about the female orgasm. However, it is still a part of the vagina's anterior wall. So, let's go back to our drawing of the vagina, to our cylinder. We go up along the anterior wall, almost reaching the fornix, and that's where the cervix begins. So as we approach the cervix, we meet a bundle of nerves at the anterior wall, on the left of our cylinder, which is the A spot. And actually, it's not really a spot as such, just like the G spot wasn't. It's more like a zone, so larger than a spot, but we can use the term spot here too. Proper stimulation of this zone leads to very powerful orgasms, which begin in the uterus and go down to the vagina, resulting in very strong muscle spasms. I mean, some people even look like they're convulsing, but you do not need to be scared of that at all. On the contrary, that's the moment to be happy for her. She's feeling fantastic. So we'll talk about stimulating this spot and the specific locations in the second block, how to make her orgasm. So for now, let's move on.